Because the issue is sorted up from yesterday that कितें आम आदमी पार्टी हुई बीजेपी वयता बीजेपी वयता जाय पोस्ट येयला म्हाका हांवें ऑल टेन्शन घेवना फ्रॉम yesterday till today 6 o'clock म्हणल्यार जाता 5:36 हांवें घेवना टेन्शन बिकॉज आम आदमी बळी वयता आसतली इट डिडंट बॉदर मागीर पोस्ट येयलो आम आदमी इज गोईंग अलॉंग विथ two MLAs. I'm not aware about 2 MLAs. But when it came to my constituency, Veli, and the name came up of Cruz Silva, still it did not take for me even a second to just ignore such posts. But when this came up from the horse's mouth of the BJP, from Veli constituency, so it made me that such a person should be at least respected by giving some response to it. It is, I always said certain things, they are open and shut cases. Cruz Silva is an open and shut case. He will never leave and go to the BJP as Cruz Silva. Never. He will complete his term or he will resign and he will stay at home. He will resign and stay at home if push to push. But he will definitely not ditch the voters who voted against the party in Veli. More than almost, I can say, 90% people, it was anti-BJP vote in Veli. And definitely Cruz Silva is not going to do that. थोड्यांनी म्हाका प्रश्न घायले तो गेलो जाल्यार तूं कितें करतलो then what will you do with Cruz Silva? What I can do nothing about it. We can do nothing about it. We have elected him for 5 years. हांवें स्वता म्हणलां ते भुरग्याक हे येयले. The same similar way, I also had a very close tie with another new gentleman from day one, Viresh Babu. And these are the people, my gut feeling is, they may do something wrong, unintentionally, but they'll definitely not sell Goa on OLX. The same I have a confidence in the person as Cruz Silva. We have been with him in hard times. And we know that confidence he is not going to just throw to the winds. So the question of me putting a condition, what Cruz Silva if he does such a thing by going to BJP? The question does not arise. Hypothetical questions I am not going to take from anybody. These are hypothetical questions. What if this happens? No. What if this happens? Can't do anything. We are not interested in that. I am not going to talk about the Benali MLA. But I am sure having 2 MLAs enough, even if 1 MLA goes, it just becomes half. It does not become 3/4. The question of AAP merging with BJP or supporting BJP does not arise. Because I have that confidence, like the way I come home and sit on the chair in my house. हांव घराको येता तो मुगे कोदेल चोयना ते मोठो काय म्हणून. Because I put that confidence on the chair, हांव येता आनी बसता. जायतो लोक आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आहलोलो जो क्रुजाक सपोर्ट करता तेदोना घरांत गोदलीचे बसलेले भशेन बसताय. That is the confidence we have given in Cruz Silva. So, the question of putting if and then but, no. Simple one-line question, open and shut case. Cruz Silva is here to stay. Cruz Silva is not going any other party, at least for these 5 years. गेल जाल्यार वचना तो गेल जाल्यार म्हणटा नाका न्हू. I know Cruz Silva as a child. From his childhood I have seen him growing. So, I don't need any few people to tell me where he stands. These 5 years, we give him to run. If Aam Aadmi Party, as a party, is not able to handle, it's fine. That will take care after 5 years. We give these people time. Let them do. थोड्यांनी तो इलेक्शन येन 2 दीस जावं नाय, 2 दीस जावं नाय, जाली क्रिटिसिजम चालू केली. Started criticizing the person who has just got elected as an MLA. Quality bill hari bore मुळा लावले. इतुले frustrated मनीस आसता एक पुसा. Mentally derailed people. I don't know. Why are we doing this? I don't go and sit there 24/7. I don't tell him that you have got elected because of my contribution. I have never told him these words. Never. People might have told me. People might have told him. So why? Electoral politics is over. Now we need to go the politics of Goa. And my simple politics, mugele mankule goy, don't sell it on OLX. And I don't need to tell this thing to Cruz Silva. Please. People may expect me to say this. No, not needed. Again I want to say, Cruz is not going anywhere. ताका पहिले सांगितला ते डेव्हलपमेंट कोड ना कोनाका. From my point of view, don't sell Goa on OLX. माणकुले गोंय इंकनाका. मुखायल मागीर 5 वर्सांनी मागीर चोया. और लोकसभा टायमार आमी मागीर चोया कितको करपा जाय तें. My point of views can change every 5 years. We cannot change our views every 1 month. आमी एकले इलेक्शन इलेक्ट करून हाडटाय, 1 म्हयन्यान मागीर तेजे पचापच उलोवप आयले पयले. Let us give him time. Unless and until he is on the verge of destruction of Goa, then we can intervene. As for Cruz Silva, he is doing his might in whatever is available with him. In spite of being in the opposition, he is putting his hard work. We know it. So there is nothing wrong. Till today I have not found that anything has gone wrong for Goa. He has been on the street every time the people call him. He makes time for our people. He comes. If there is anything that is going to go wrong for my Mankulian Goa and we voice it out to him, he is present wherever it is possible. It may not be possible 10 out of 10 for him to attend every meeting. But then when my Goa is in danger, he stands by it. Devaragaru. So this controversy, please, RIP, rest in peace. Devaragaru.